We back with another one. So get ready for another fire video.
Oh shit.
Artlist.io.
My phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late. Seen them down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a mill, now they coming with a blaze. I'm a Don just like the Perrier. It's one time when I'm looking at a face. On the low like I'm pushing up the bass.
Alright, this guy's getting his ass.
Alright.
Oh my god. What are they doing to me?
Connie. I need bone scrap. Hey, well, that part
Oh, that's what people do?
I didn't even touch a thing either. Someone ran into them bones and then from there he was on. Now I'm lit.
It's open.
Garden storage is open.
Yes. Please fit in that lock. Please.
Oh shit, hitchhiker's down here.
Okay, stay quiet. Oh. A shortcut?
He just closed the door. I think he went back up.
Old man can climb up ladders?
Yeah.
What is this?
I didn't know that. I guess it makes sense. So he's up that ladder right now.
Oh my god. The hands.
Fuck you, hands. Pussy boy.
It's okay, buddy. Yeah.
I just stabbed the shit out of the hands. So.
Oh, I was wondering what was going on. Cause he was after. Oh, he just knocked Maria to the floor.
No way.
Maria, run! Coming down here.
I'm about to turn the Jenny off.
Huh? Knocked him in the face with that. Oh, I didn't mean to hide though. Fuck.
Here comes buddy. I should be able to get it off. It's off.
Alright. I just slammed the door on that fool again. That guy's an idiot. But he's coming.
Down, boy.
I can't use the ladder. What's going on? Someone go up there already? Why the hell are you coming down? Who's this, Connie?
See me, man. Fuck out of here. These guys are liars, cheaters, all that. There's no way you see
Are they
me.
gone? We're friends. You get away from me. What did I do?
I don't know what they're doing up here. Alright, I think they left me for a second. I'm upstairs in the house.
Alright.
So is Hitchhiker,
Yeah.
I think.
Feeling downstairs and I'm on my way.
Are they gone? I think I'm okay.
Oh shit, someone opened the door back at the front?
Somebody was moving, yeah. Someone was shaking and baking. Ooh, who's that who just came down?
I don't know.
Oh, it's probably Connie. Sounds like Connie. Someone else just came down too.
Yeah, the person who's rumbling at the front door.
Stay away from me.
God damn it, man. That front door has, what's his name, rubber pins on it. Cook's rubber pins, so locks are hard to hit.
Alright.
I keep my eyes peeled.
I'm upstairs now too.
think Cook might be in the kitchen.
All right, I'll go now.
Oh shit. I don't know how much I can get on this. No, I won't be able to do that.
Ah, here comes big retard, man.
Alright.
He just barged me to the floor. I just door slammed him.
He's been getting door slammed the whole game. So I've been hitting him at least twice.
I'm taking a slap for the team. Yeah. Door slam, he didn't even hit the ground, he just stood there.
Yeah, I don't think he falls. I don't know.
That's craziness.
Yes, it is nuts. Here, Cook in his bullshit fucking dress shoes. And he really found me? Get the fuck out of here, Cook.
Cook's old ass. The door open.
He's coming down that ladder. Fuck you, Cook.
Finally, they left. I need to find the others.
Oh, and this takes way longer now, too. What the fuck? They nerf people down right to the ground, bro. The victims have no shot. Yeah, he's gonna stroll around, huh, big man? Go back through. Aye, of course you got that hit, right?
They left. Finally. I hope the others are okay.
Maria's being chased by big man. Honey's working on the back gate. The battery.
Alright.
Pretty sure. Yep. Maria just got knocked down to the ground. She's getting up. That's what the main thing is. Everybody needs time. No one can die to a victim in the first 5 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
Another thing, it helps because when everybody's fighting for their life. Even when I just died there, I shouldn't even die. I should have come.
Oh, she sweet talked him. Oh, he was just downstairs. Alright, good shit, Connie. We out of here. Hanson come and fuck that up too if he wanted to, so we out. I ain't wasting time.
Oh my god!
There comes Hans too. He's coming to fuck it up.
That's it.
Devoid of livestock. Instead, 13 men, all dressed in plain white clothes, were sitting in chairs spread throughout the property. Each one was wearing a simple rope set, a pair of sunglasses.
What? Where am I?
What's going on? What are they doing to us?
Recon dog. Alright. This isn't a good sign that we keep finding our way to the same room, dude. This is like the only room I know.
It's me, Jules. I don't know what this is. It might work on those doors.
Oh, brother
Oh,
fish
shit.
and making beer noise, Julie.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Here comes Leather.
Ah, he cut me up pretty badly too. God damn.
Let's see where this goes.
Oh wow, mash that up. Alright, I hear the generator, so I'm on that side.
Thank you.
Get back in here.
Got this.
I don't know where you guys are even help. I don't even know how to get up.
Huh?
Great. I don't even know how to get upstairs. This is nuts.
I'm by the generator.
I think I just found a way out now.
Trying to get that gate. So I'm gonna get that gate and then just have to get the generator.
It's not even a way up, but
Got it.
Hitchhiker might have seen me, I don't know, but I'm kicking this gen.
nah, you don't think you see me, but yeah.
I'm halfway through.
We got Lego down here, so
Yep, someone's coming, but I hit it.
I got this fucking idiot up. Fighting this idiot. Fighting with this idiot Hitch.
I can do this. Julie, please bring together.
Nice.
Help! Help me!
Julie got out too.
This is all my fault. They're here because of me.
Maria. She's like, this is all my fault. They're here
This
because
is-
of me.
Exactly. That's why I'm pissed.
She's heading towards the generator. Oh, he slapped a lock on there though. On the first gate, not the last gate.
Look at all the doors locked. Every door I run into. Gee.
Also, there's a way around, so you don't have to even go through that first gate.
It's here somewhere.
This idiot.
I think, anyways. If she would keep moving, I could tell. Yeah, there is. So you can go around and bypass that first gate.
What was that noise?
Oh, he put a padlock on this gate too. Oh shit. Yeah,
Fuck
he-
you, pussy. Take that. Hmm? I need some justice.
Nope, she's not gonna get the gate. Cook's on her ass. She got one bar of that lock though. He has rubber pins on it too. Or not rubber pins, something pins. Oh, she's in trouble.
She ain't the only one.
She's being chased by Leatherface, and I think the Cook. Yeah, Cook's on her ass too. Yeah, she's gonna die. That's that.
Damn, lady.
Maria.
Sad, because I didn't even get out the basement, so. All this fighting down here where I didn't even come up. Haven't seen daylight yet, brother. Oh shit. I don't understand which door y'all could have went up.
I took the one in the corner somewhere. I think it might have been over here. Yeah, I think it's that one.
Oh, finally. Holy shit. Might as well explore. Oh.
Oh, she sweet talked him.
Before she died?
Yeah,
Or she's still alive?
she's dead.
Oh shoot.
Hate the way his shoes sound on the ground, man. Yeah, so this must be the way towards like the battery. I've never been on this side before.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Your old ass down, man, while I work.
I'm trying. They're pretty shifty for normal folks. Die, you bastard!
Good luck finding a fucking well.
Oh,
Alright.
there it is. I was right back. I know this area, the exterior.
First knockout, they better come for me.
How is this your first knockout? Holy fuck.
They better come for me.
How many are there? Yes, I can use that. Thank you.
They're not even coming downstairs. They're like, fuck it. We're just
Yeah,
gonna
that's-
camp each spot
Here-
like goofs.
Here he comes.
Oh, there's one.
Oh fuck!
Oh wow.
Man, them doors. Shouldn't have came down here for the one mob. Shouldn't have came down for that. Stupid ass. Oh, that's so
He
fucked
woke
up. Like,
pretty
what is this
fast.
stun
That's some
last?
bullshit.
Fuck is the stun for if I can't even get 5 to 6 seconds?
They nerfed a lot of shit for the victim that can just feel it. Just feels so much different.
Fuck.